Mr. Wonderful here.
Montell Williams here.
What's up? This is Daymond John here.
Have a look at the Cannabis Training University.
What's good, y'all? This is Be Real, aka Dr. Green Thumb.
So if you're looking to learn more about the cannabis industry,
And if that's what you're interested in and you want to stay on the legal side, well, there is a way to pursue it.
Cannabis Training U.
Amazing online marijuana school for anyone out there looking to get in the booming and exciting and the nice-smelling marijuana industry.
Learn how to get a cannabis job and all the laws in your state or country.
if you're looking to help people in the cannabis industry,
There are a lot of advocates that are out there right now making sure people understand that this is a viable alternative for a healthy lifestyle.
If you want to get in the booming multi-billion-dollar weed business, to help people, I do.
To leave this planet just a little bit better than when you arrived in
And
it.
check it out. If you're going to invest in the legal cannabis industry,
Cannabis Training U.
Cannabis Training U.
Get yourself in the booming weed biz today.